January 4th, 8 o'clock a.m. We're heading out of Huron, and we're going to be trolling this morning. See if we can get them trolling. We got Jason with us, and what's your name again? Ethan. We got Ethan. He's over here, ready to go. Hey, what's up?
Well, we're heading over here to launch it from Huron today.
Thanks, you too.
See you, buddy. Good luck. Hopefully we can get something going. Running our typical Bandits P10s weighted. Fingers crossed.
This fish. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
He's coming.
Yeah.
Coming.
Husker. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're going on. There's some
Fish.
Yeah, it feels good.
Staying down.
Nice. Nice.
Got 30 feet yet.
That camera down way over there?
He's right here.